Do you suffer from digestive issues? If so, you know how horrible it can be. It is estimated that 70 million people struggle with one or more digestive issues. In fact, each year, approximately 32 million people visit their doctor because of chronic digestive disorders, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. And 8.6 million people end up in the emergency room. But you don't have to end up in the ER for digestive issues to make your life a living hell. Perhaps you're experiencing the agonizing symptoms of constant heartburn, acid reflux, indigestion, constipation, diarrhea, bloating, gas, or abdominal pain. Or you may be battling with a more serious condition like IBS, gallstones, celiac disease, or even colon cancer, just to name a few. Digestion problems have become so common that over-the-counter prescription medications earn big pharma billions of dollars each year. And while those digestive aids may provide you with an hour or two of relief, they only temporarily mask the symptoms without permanently healing the root cause of your digestive problem. Plus, many of those products come with the risk of serious side effects. Whether you experience digestion issues daily or only occasionally after eating certain foods, there is an effective, safe, and fast solution to improve your digestive health. Recent medical research has discovered many powerful strategies that naturally improve, strengthen, and heal your digestive system. Our team of experts reviewed the latest medical research to find the best ways to improve digestive health without the risk of side effects. Then we utilized the most effective solutions from our research and created the 14-day Digestive Health Quick Start program. You can stop struggling with digestive issues. By incorporating the simple recommendations from this comprehensive program into your daily life, you'll enjoy better digestive health faster than you may have thought possible. The 14-day Digestive Health Quick Start program includes the following components. Our research-based ebook that will show you easy lifestyle changes that promote a super healthy digestive system called All About Digestion: Tips and Strategies to Improve Digestive Health. Our professionally developed cookbook that's loaded with delicious digestion-improving recipes called Cooking for Digestive Health: 25 digestion-friendly anti-inflammatory recipes. You'll also receive our 14-day Cooking for Digestive Health meal plan and shopping list to ensure preparing these tasty meals is stress-free and convenient. But we didn't stop there. Did you know that regular exercise is crucial for maintaining optimal digestive health? It is, and that's why we're also including our simple yet powerful exercise program, 10 Easy Movements to Improve Digestion. This series of gentle movements was developed by leading fitness trainer and health expert Rick Kaselj. They are safe and easy to perform for all ages and fitness levels. And it's all available to you if you are ready to say yes to better digestive health.